Hello guys, in this video we'll convert our categorical columns into numbers using encoding techniques because our ML model only understands numbers. This step is super important to get accurate prediction of insurance charges. I've also explained the concept briefly in this video so you will have a clear idea while applying it. And yes, if you haven't watched the part 1 yet, so check that out first because we are building this project one step at a time and skipping ahead might leave you confused. Alright, let's move on to the code. Let's understand what is categorical values and why we need to encode it. So basically categorical values are non-numeric values, which also means their value is in text form. And we know that machine learning algorithms only use numeric values to predict, so we have to encode our categorical values. In our project we have sex, smoker and reason columns which are holding categorical values. So for sex and smoker column we will use label encoding, and for reason column we will use one-hot encoding. To use label encoding, we have to first import label encoder from sklearn library. Then we will initialize an object of label encoder class, and we will use fit transform method from label encoder class so that we can use label encoding in our sex and smoker column. Now sex and smoker columns are holding numeric values, wherein sex 0 is for female and 1 is for male, and for smoker 1 is for yes and 0 is for no. And for reason column, we will use getDummies method from pandas library, where we will provide 4 parameters. First parameter will be our data set. Second parameter is to mention our column where we have to use one-hot encoding. Third parameter is used to mention the data type of our values. In our case, we will use int because we want numeric values. And our last parameter is to drop our first dummy column because it helps our model to give better and accurate predictions. Okay, so we got northwest, southeast and southwest columns. Now you will be wondering where is northeast column, because we have dropped our first dummy column which was our northeast. Now we will merge new reason columns to our insurance data set and also drop the reason column from our original data set because now we don't need it after encoding. Finally, sex, smoker and reason columns are converted into numeric forms. Now in next video we will train and test our model and also find the accuracy of our model. So that's it for today. Thank you.